Arvind Kejriwal has been released on bail by the top court, trouble continues to mount for the Aadmi Party. The Enforcement Directorate has informed the Delhi High Court that they will be naming Aadmi Party as an accused in the Delhi excise policy scam case, in the next charge sheet, that is. This will be the first time a political party will be named as an accused in a case. The submission was made by the ED while the High Court was hearing former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia's bail petition in the money laundering case pertaining to the Delhi excise policy. Three of the party's key leaders, that is Kejriwal, Sisodia and Sanjay Singh, have already been arrested by the probe agencies in the same matter. The ED had alleged that AAP benefited from the alleged kickbacks in the liquor policy case and were used by the party to fund its electoral campaign in Gujarat. Meanwhile, the BJP has also jumped in on the issue and said that the ED has proof against AAP and that kickbacks have been used by the party during the Goa polls.
देखिए, कानून अपना काम कर रहा है और कानून के तहत ये सब कार्रवाई हो रही है, लेकिन सवाल एक अहम उठता है। आम आदमी पार्टी हो, अरविंद केजरीवाल हो, मनीष सिसोदिया हो या विजय नायर हो, इन सब के लिए नॉर्म्स अलग अलग क्यों हैं? इसी मामले के अंदर विजय नायर, मनीष सिसोदिया के मामले के अंदर 14 महीने से बेल नहीं हो रही उनकी। रही बात लीगल एस्पेक्ट की, कानून के तहत सब कुछ हो रहा है और जो चीज़ें सामने आई हैं, जो चीज़ें मीडिया के जरिए भी पता लगी और सब कुछ सामने आया, आम आदमी पार्टी की इन्वॉल्वमेंट इसके अंदर नजर आई थी जब वो गोवा के इलेक्शंस थे। तो मुझे लगता है कि ईडी ने उसी को लेके, उनके पास सबूत होंगे, तो हवाला डीलर्स के बयान भी थे, उनके तहत ये कार्रवाई होगी। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि अब समय आ गया कि अरविंद केजरीवाल को बहुत सारे सवालों के जवाब देने चाहिए।
There are proofs on record that all those funds which were gathered by illicit means in Delhi were routed for elections in Goa and other states also. This will lead to freezing of the accounts of the Aam Aadmi Party, and also Election Commission can de-recognize the party. Now, Aam Aadmi Party leader Mr. Kejriwal need to answer a lot on this, that how he misused the fund.
Nikhil, as far as we talk about this development, of course, with the political party being named as an accused now, with the fact that the central agency plans to do so, how does one read into this? Because this is for the very first time we'd be seeing something like this. All right, we'll try connecting with Nikhil to get us more perspective on that. But clearly, there is trouble that is mounting for the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, there's politics also playing over the same. But important to note here that the AAP to be named as an accused, this is while the central agency, that is the Enforcement Directorate, will be looking to file that additional charge sheet. There are, of course, accusations of them receiving kickbacks while we talk about their political campaigns, including in Goa, is what we understand so far. But having said that, remember, in terms of the entire case and for AAP leaders to have been arrested in this matter, began with Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Thereafter, we did see Sanjay Singh, and then, of course, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. He, of course, remains on interim bail, that is to be campaigning for the Lok Sabha polls. But considering AAP has had several of their other leaders as well, in fact, when this did come out, we do remember Satyendra Jain also was arrested in this particular matter. Nikhil, as far as this is concerned, clearly trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party, considering we've not seen something like this happen before. Tell us, how does one read into this?
Well, this was into the public domain for a long time now, but now it has been confirmed by the Central Agency Enforcement Directorate in the Court of Law while hearing the bail plea of former Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Enforcement Directorate have informed the Delhi High Court that they are in the process of naming Aam Aadmi Party for the very first time in the next charge sheet, which they are going to follow in a very time soon. They have already filed a charge sheet naming Manish Sisodia, but there are supplementary charge sheets which are usually filed when the cases go very big. And for the very first time, we are hearing that, and this is something which has been confirmed by the ED, that they are going to name Aam Aadmi Party. And if you go by the details as far as the reading of the same is concerned, national convener is Arvind Kejriwal. He is the one who is going to be held culprit, because when you name a party, the main person who usually looks after the responsibility, he is the one who is held accountable. So here Arvind Kejriwal is the one who is going to be picked up. But apart from it, if Aam Aadmi Party is going to be officially named, then there are chances that their assets and their properties as well they will be all be seized and they will all be attached by the Enforcement Directorate, which means that the existence of the Aam Aadmi Party will be in trouble. So we will get to see as to more trouble for the Aam Aadmi Party, for the Arvind Kejriwal. Even though he is out of the bail, there is interim bail which has been given for 21 days by the Supreme Court orders. On 2nd of June, he has to surrender yet again before the Tihar jail. But we need to see as to how the actions are going to unfold. Because if this is something which takes place, then this is going to be very biggest as far as the political developments are concerned across the country.
Absolutely, Nikhil. I appreciate you drawing more perspective as far as this is concerned. Let's leave it at that.